check out the world of webinars and see if I can prove they're worth the time and money, or if it's just a big waste. Webinars have become a staple in online marketing, with many businesses and entrepreneurs swearing by their effectiveness. They're often touted as a great way to connect with your audience, build trust, and even drive sales. But let's be real, how many of us have signed up for a webinar only to forget about it or lose interest halfway through? The truth is, webinars can be a major investment of time and money, not just for the attendees, but for the hosts as well. You've got to consider the cost of promoting the webinar, the time spent preparing and delivering the content, and the resources required to follow up with attendees. And what's the return on investment? Sometimes it's just a handful of sales or a few lukewarm leads. Low attendance rates are a huge problem, especially if you're relying on webinars to drive revenue. It's not uncommon to see attendance rates as low as 10 to 20%, which means 80 to 90% of people who signed up just aren't showing up. And of those who do attend, how many are really engaged? You might have a few people actively participating, but the rest are probably just there for the free information. When it comes to engagement, webinars can be pretty one-dimensional. You're basically talking at people, hoping they'll absorb the information and take action. But what about interaction? What about building a real connection with your audience? Webinars often fall short in these areas. So, why do so many webinars fail to deliver? For one, lack of planning is a huge issue. People throw together a quick presentation, hit publish, and hope for the best. Poor content is another major problem. If your webinar is boring, irrelevant, or just plain unengaging, people will tune out. And then there's promotion. If you're not getting the word out effectively, you'll struggle to get people to show up. Inadequate promotion strategies can make or break a webinar. You've got to have a solid plan in place to reach your target audience and get them excited about your content. That means using social media, email marketing, and other channels to build hype and drive registrations. The reality is, webinars can be a waste of time and money if not approached strategically. You've got to have a clear plan, engaging content, and a solid promotion strategy. Otherwise, you're just throwing money and time down the drain. So, what's the alternative? Consider using other formats like video series or interactive sessions to engage with your audience. These alternative methods can be just as effective, if not more so, than webinars. They offer more flexibility, more interaction, and more opportunities to build a real connection with your audience. In short, webinars aren't inherently bad. It's all about execution. You've got to put in the time and effort to make them worth your while. That means having a solid strategy, engaging content, and a clear plan for promotion and follow-up. If you've had experiences with webinars, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more effective online marketing strategies, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.